I've seen you interpret dreams, right? I have a dream, and this has been bugging me for the last 24 months.
What's that dream?
Okay. There was a loud sound that woke me up, and as I peeked into the window, I saw a huge archdevil. And that archdevil, well, he makes a roar that's comparable to a Dolby surround system, and with its roar, accompanies with a flame. I don't know if it's a lava, and its flame sends throng of people running. And those throng that were running were in panic. So seeing that, and also seeing our town burn, I was also in panic. I woke up my family, and we rushed out of the house. And the dream was so real that when I woke up, I thought it was so real. I even peeked into the window. So, what is the dream about?
You have just seen an advanced, may we say, you have that opportunity to see in advance what's going to happen in the future. Mind you, I have also dreamt a dream very much like to your dream. Mayroong isang pagkakataon sa aking nakaraang, nung ako'y bata pa, nakapanaginip din ako nung gano'n na umuulan ng apoy, tapos ang mga tao nagtatakbuhan, wala silang pupuntahan. Parang gano'n. The very same scenario. Ngayon, yun nakita rin ni Juan yun eh. Pinakita sa kanya ng Diyos sa Apokalipsis ang mangyayari sa hinaharap. So, there is nothing to be interpreted about that dream. It is a reality that is coming soon. It is in the scriptures. Sinasabi yun sa 2 Peter chapter 3 verses 10 and 7, which says,
"But the day of the Lord will come as a thief in the night, in the which the heavens shall pass away with a great noise, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat."
I remember you say that there was a loud noise. Is that so? Oh, that is it. The heavens will pass away with a great noise, and the elements shall melt with fervent heat. What's next?
"The earth also and the works that are therein shall be burned up."
7.
"But the heavens and the earth, which are now by the same word, are kept in store, reserved unto fire against the day of judgment and perdition of ungodly men."
That's it. It's not just a dream, it's a vision coming from the Lord. And you're lucky to have seen that vision because it will instill fear in your heart. If you are God-fearing, that will serve as a reminder to you to really fear God and seek for ways and means by which you can escape this gory sin that you have seen. See, it is inevitable, it will come. It will come. Heaven and earth shall pass away, but my word shall not pass away. 35 of the book of Matthew. And it is sure to come. It is something that was already written in the scriptures 2,000 years ago, that the end of this world is coming. So, kailangan ngayon, para sa iba, siguro kahit yung hindi nakakapanaginip ng ganun, mag-isip-isip tayo. Kasi kahit na anong gawin natin, mangyayari sinasabi ng Biblia. Kagaya lang nun, tsunami na nangyari dyan saan ba yun? Sa Southeast Asia. Yun nakakalagim na pala yun Tsunami pa lang yun Pagka ang umulan apoy maniwala kayo mga kababayan, baka yung nilasing-lasing mo, mawala ang lasing mo pagdating ng araw na yun. Kaya lang, baka doon ka lang mag-aalis ng lasing, wala nang kwenta yun. Huli ng lahat. Sabi nga ng Diyos, sa 1:24 ng Kawikaan, sapagkat ako'y tumawag, kayo tumanggi, iniunat ko ang aking kamay at walang makinig, kundi inyong inyuwi sa wala ang bukong payo, at inyong hinamak ang aking mga pagsaway. Ako naman ang tatawa sa kaarawan ng inyong kasakunaan.
Ako'y manunuya pagka ang inyong takot ay dumarating. Pagka ang iyong takot ay dumarating na parang bagyo, at ang inyong kasakunaan ay dumarating na parang ipo-ipo,
Pagka
ang hirap at hapis ay dumating sa inyo.
Kung
Kung magkagayoy tatawag sila sa akin, ngunit hindi ako sasagot. Hahanapin nila akong masikap, ngunit hindi nila akong masusumpungan. Sapagkat kanilang ipinagtanim ang kaalaman at hindi pinili ang takot sa Panginoon. Ayaw sila ng aking payo, kanilang hinamak ang buo kong pagsaway. Kaya't sila'y magsisikain ng bunga ng kanilang sariling lakad at mabubusog ng kanilang sariling mga kagagawan.
Yan ang pauna ng Diyos. Darating yung araw, tatawag tayo, di na siya sasagot. Tama yung kanta eh. I believe above the storm, the smallest prayer will still be heard. I believe that someone in the great somewhere hears every word. Every time I hear a newborn baby cries, or touch a leaf, or see the sky, and I know what I believe. Ayan, tama yun eh. I believe above the storm, the smallest prayer will still be heard. I believe that someone in the great somewhere hears every word. Tama yun. Pero dadating ang panahon, there will be nobody to answer prayers anymore. Sabi ng Diyos, tatawag kayo sa akin, hindi na ako sasagot. Hahanapin ninyo akong masikap, hindi na ninyo ako masusumpungan. Sapagkat inyong ipinagtanim ang kaalaman, hindi nyo pinili ang pagkatakot sa Panginoon. Ayaw sila ng aking payo, sabi niya. At
kanilang hinamak ang buo kong pagsaway. Kaya't sila'y magsisikain ng bunga ng kanilang sariling lakad at mabubusog ng kanilang sariling mga kagagawan.
Sige, tama na yun, kapatid. Sige, thank you very much for your question.